Okay, I wanted to get this this video wrapped up about the legs, getting the legs done. So got back from Home Depot and used some screws and get them on real quick. Get the legs finished up, and we can move on to putting the table together itself, which is what I really want to do. So I got some all done. Next phase is put them over there and put them all together and get the base done. And then level it out pretty close. I'm going to take those cushions off. All right, there we go. All done. Okay, that's about it for today. So I got all this done. That's what I want to get done. And tomorrow we'll start putting the base together and the sides and the top. And then I can start building the gantry and actually building the CNC. So until next time, I'll see you later.